Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel and also to my Facebook page. Today I've come up with another video, but it's not related to spoken English or English language. I want to talk about mental math in this video, and it's my first video related to mental math. So I hope you guys know about mental math, what that means, mental math. So mental math is I'm just defining it in one sentence, that it's a kind of math that you do by your head but not using any calculator. You are not allowed to use any calculator in that case. And in many admission tests in Bangladesh or somewhere else, you are not allowed to bring calculator to your examination hall. So in that case, if you know the tricks that I want to talk about in my videos, it's my first video and I'll be uploading more videos on this topic, then I think you don't need any calculator any longer, cause there will be the tricks that I have got are really very amazing, fantastic, and if you know them, you don't need a calculator. But today I want to talk about specifically about multiplication. So instant multiplication, that is the trick number one that I want to talk about. So let's move on to our topic. So this trick, the number one trick is, suppose you've got a sum and you need to multiply, suppose 32 multiplied by 11. So you have got this sum. Here, notice one thing, the trick is only applicable when you're being said that any two-digit number multiply with 11. So this trick is for this, like you have to multiply 11 by any two-digit number. Remember, only two-digit number. It's not applicable to more than two-digit number. It's just you have to execute this trick in the case of two-digit numbers. So we need to calculate this. I'm writing here. So the trick is you need to follow only two steps to complete this sum in a few seconds by your brain, So the first step you need to follow is you just need to separate this two. This number, not this two. So you need to separate this number. That means you just write 3 here as the first digit of a number, and you write 2 as a last digit of a number. Okay? And you have to put a space here. I just marked for your understanding. So you have to put just leave a space here between the two digits. And the second step is the last step, that you need to plus these two number. Like 3 plus 2, we all know is that results in 5. So then you need to put this 5 in between this last two digits. This I separated, and then I put the addition. That means the 3 plus 2 results in 5. This 5 in between the last two digits. So that is the answer. You see how magical that is? It's really very amazing. It's an amazing trick, to be honest. And yeah, I love this trick a lot because it's super easy. You just separate the number 32, 3 and 2. Just leave a space between the last two digits, and then you just add that 2 and 3 results in 5. Put that in between the digits. So you see how simple that is. So let's practice. Okay, it's practice time, and we are going to from simple to harder one. We are going to practice. So let's try this one. 53 multiplied by 11. So you see, any two-digit number. 53 is a two-digit number, and 11 you have to multiply by 11. So the first thing you need to do, I told you that you just separate this 5 and 3, keep a space in between the two digits, and then you just multiply. And we all know 5 plus 3 results in 8. So you see, the answer is 583. How simple that is. You can do, I think, you can do this sum in a second. You just see the sum and you know the answer. That will be the condition. So it's super fun learning these kind of tricks. Let's try one harder one. Not harder. It's just, I want to make it clear. Okay, let's try this one. 11. So you might be thinking that the result is 8. You separate the 5, and 8 plus 5 results in 13. So you might be thinking the result is each one 35. But no, it's not the correct answer. It's not the correct answer because you can't write these two in between the two digits. So why? Let me show you why you can't. So you first write the last digit, separate them, and the second step was you need to just add these two, right? So that results in 13. So you are willing to keep this 13 between the two digits, but that's not the trick. Because you need to put, as the result is 13, you need to put this 3, just before 5. So you put the 3. Now you have to carry this one. Because we can't write 2-digit number between the digits. So that's not the trick. That's why we are not writing 2-digit number. That means 13 is a 2-digit number in between 8 and 5. That will not be correct. That will be incorrect. So that for that reason, we are gonna carry this one. We add it, and if it results in a 2-digit number, then we put the 3 before the 5, and then we have to carry this one and add it to 8. Okay? So the result is 935. That's the correct answer. So that's the trick. So you see, you are separating, yeah, but follow this step. Like you write 5, and the result then the second step was you add these two. That means that results in 13. As it results in 13, you can't write 2-digit number before the digit. So you just put this 3 just before 5, and then carry this one, carry this one to here, and add this to 8 plus 1. We all know it's 9. So that's the trick. I hope you have understood. Let's try another one. Let's try something like this. So I gave a bigger number. Like here you were writing 5, just like the previous one, right? So you write 5 here, and then you need to plus this 2 number. So 9 plus 5, that results in 14. So what you need to do is to put this 4 before this 5, and you need to carry this one to 9, and you need to plus it to 9. And as usual, there's 9 plus 1 is 10. So the result is 1045. I showed you some few of the sums that I did. So I'm not going to talk about more in this video. So we are gonna work step by step, so that we can keep it in our mind forever, so that we can you see the sum and you know the answer. So I've got some homework for you guys. So I'm gonna give you some homework. You will do it at home. Okay, you need to multiply only this 5 as your homework. So you just you know the trick and nothing else to describe. So you just take a screenshot of it, and you don't need to take a screenshot. You know the answer if you see the sum before the trick, after the trick, of course. Okay, so that's all about this video about the instant multiplication norm 1. The trick was about just the first trick. So we have a lot of tricks coming in my videos I will be uploading. So I think you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, like my page, and yeah, follow me on Facebook, all the things. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.